now let's come to the rapid fire round. ठीक है, I'll throw some questions at you and आपने उसको फटाफट आंसर देना है.
Done.
So सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, what do you suggest, buy and hold या flip the properties?
I feel buy and hold. Flipping में तो मैं खुद मरा हूँ, तो buy and hold.
Plot or apartment in Lucknow?
I feel if somebody is just looking to invest, plot for appreciation. If somebody is looking to live, apartment.
The smartest tier 2 city in 2025?
See, the cleanest is Lucknow for sure. But abhi news आई है. But see, smartest में there are a lot of cities. I mean, I can be biased, but I feel, there are cities like Indore, Lucknow, Pune, Surat. They're all doing really well. So,
Okay.
there are a number of cities. Even Bhubaneswar for that fact.
Acha.
Somebody I met recently, they were saying Bhubaneswar market is also doing really well. So, there are a lot of surprises there. We don't get to know. But tier 2 all are doing really well.
Most overrated real estate location in India?
Golf course road. I feel मैं तो NCR की बात कर सकता हूँ because यार
मेरे को लगा शायद आप गोवा या नावगांव बोलोगे, आपने तो सीधा ही गोल्फ कोर्स रोड बोला.
no because it has become overrated ना. आप see that 1 kilometer का या 2, 3, 4 kilometer का patch now because of the name it is selling at people are trying to sell at 40,000-50,000 rupees per square feet.
Yeah,
It doesn't make sense.
because of PR.
Yeah.
Greater return, Gurgaon or Lucknow in next 5 years?
No, 100% Lucknow. I have next 10 years also.
Okay.
Yeah.
UP or Rajasthan, which is a better destination to invest?
I feel that Rajasthan is more because it has that affinity to Delhi,
Okay.
Jaipur specifically, तो वहाँ पे you will see more NRI money also coming through. I know a couple of friends who are developers there. So the market is good. The appreciation has already happened a lot. You sell at
Acha.
there are prices par 10,000 there. So appreciation factor again I feel Lucknow में ज़्यादा आएगा because we are still sub 10,000. 7, 8, 9,000 या 60, 70, 80,000 के plots. तो वहाँ पे appreciation ज़्यादा मिलेंगी. But both are very good markets.
Okay. Your favorite investor, NRI or tier 2 businessman?
See, NRI, I really like them now because, we getting a lot of those guys. Plus, they're very easy to sell to.
Okay.
Quick closure.
Yeah.
10-15 days में close हो जाता है. जो लोकल टीयर 2 बिजनेसमैन है ना, उनको अभी भी वो आदत बहुत है कि वो हैगल करने की, नेगोशिएट करने की, वो प्रमोटर के साथ बात करनी है, बैठ के क्लोज करना है, सो दे आर मोर टीडियस.
Okay.
वी वेलकम ऑल बट दे आर मोर टीडियस.
What's the one real estate myth that you want to bust today?
कि सारे डेवलपर चोर हैं.
Agree. ये तो लोगों को आज भी लगता है.
देखो जी, see we should not judge the whole industry by the same yardstick.
Okay.
There are people today, अगर आप देखोगे the last 5 years, 90% projects are getting delivered, right?
Yes.
So that perception needs to be changed, I feel, for the real estate industry as a whole. They're not all bad apples. Some bad apples are there, but not all.
अमेजिंग सर, आपका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अमेजिंग है और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है आपको सुन के. यू गॉट अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट. थोड़ा सा आज ये आपके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, बट आप मेरे को ये बताओ कि अगर आपको एक दिन का सीएम बना दें यूपी का,
हाँ. सही है.
और आपको एक दिन के लिए सारी पावर दे दें हम, तो आप क्या क्या चेंज करना चाहोगे या क्या क्या सुपर चार्ज आप करना चाहोगे?
तुम जेल भिजवाओगे. नहीं यार, देखो, we can never take the place of the people who are already doing a great job. But if I have to recommend something,
Yeah.
I would say probably UP could have more, policies that attract industrialists,
Okay.
Industry, manufacturing, by having maybe giving tax rebates, tax holidays.
जैसे गुजरात दे रहा है.
हाँ, or providing cheaper access to land.
Okay.
That is still a very difficult topic now because acquisition laws have changed and governments also their hands are tied. वो नई जमीनें दे पाएंगे सस्ती, but at least जैसे 10-year tax holiday दे दिया, for specific industries to come. Now they may do it for IT sector. कि आप जो भी आप, आप एक free zone space बना दो, because I feel that giving an example, I'm not comparing, but Dubai, for example, they very recently came out with a policy where a company can have their offices or registrations across all free zones. A unified license will come. So they are able to take benefits from different free zone. वहाँ अलग-अलग free zone में अलग-अलग activity allowed है. तो आज उसी तरीके से if we create these pockets in UP where we say कि यार इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर आप कोई भी फैक्ट्री लगाओ और आपको हम 10 साल के लिए जीएसटी का रिबेट देते हैं, जो स्टेट जीएसटी है, या हम टैक्स हॉलिडे देते हैं आपको, या रिबेट देते हैं, तो आई फील दैट विल एनकरेज अ लॉट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री टू कम देयर, तो ये एक चीज कर सकते हैं, वेरी प्रो इंडस्ट्री जो माइंडसेट है ना. बिकॉज अगर आप देखो चेन्नई फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तमिलनाडु, नाउ इट इज व्हाई इट इज डूइंग सो वेल, बिकॉज वहां पे उन्होंने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को बहुत ज्यादा पुश किया. आप हैदराबाद देखो तो आईटी को पुश किया, पुणे देखो आईटी को पुश किया, बैंगलोर है, स्टार्टअप्स थे सारे. सो यू हैव टू मेक योरसेल्फ अ सेंटर फॉर समथिंग.
नो, आई 100% एग्री. आई थिंक अभी टाइम भी ऐसा है कि लोग चाइना से थोड़ा सा बाहर निकल रहे हैं. They have the opportunity of either India or they will go to some other Asian country.
Correct. And I feel, madam, I'll give you an example. One of my friends, very dear friends of mine, they're from Muradabad, one of the largest exporters in India. He was telling me they've seen that change. Since a lot of non-alignment towards China has happened in US and Western countries. They have been getting so much more business because the focus has shifted for Western countries and they want India to be the substitute. So it is up to us now. कि आज हम अपने आप को क्या मॉडर्नाइज करना चाह रहे हैं, क्या हम अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उस हिसाब से डेवलप करना चाह रहे हैं, क्या हम अपना जो माइक्रो स्किल सेट है वो डेवलप करना चाह रहे हैं. सी दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आज अगेन एज अ गवर्नमेंट आर वी क्रिएटिंग इनफ skilled professionals for manufacturing.
Agree.
Because अगर आप चाइना में देखोगे तो why their factories are doing so well, and they are at 10 किलोमीटर बड़ी फैक्ट्री है, 1 किलोमीटर बड़ी फैक्ट्री, वर्ल्ड की लार्जेस्ट सारी फैक्ट्री चाइना में क्यों है? Because they train and skill their workforce, and that workforce is able to deliver a lot of results which the companies want in Western countries. So same thing if the government can do, where we can train on a large scale, we can train workforce for skilled jobs, semi-skilled jobs. I think that will make a big difference.
So now we have come to our last segment and my favorite segment. आपके पास एक मैजिकल प्रॉप है. ये मैजिकल प्रॉप में से आपने देखना है
जी.
वी कॉल दिस द टाइम मशीन.
राइट.
तो वी वांट टू सी के 2050 में आपको लखनऊ में क्या दिख रहा है, लखनऊ की स्काईलाइन कैसी दिख रही है, लखनऊ में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैसा दिख रहा है. 2050 में व्हाट डू यू सी लखनऊ विल लुक लाइक? एक बार आप देख के बताओ. मैं
देखो जी क्या है कि एक तो मैं अपने आप को देख रहा हूँ, मेरे बाल सारे वाइट हो गए, but apart from that I feel that by 2050 I hope and I really do hope that we see Lucknow as a Shanghai, as a Beijing, as a Guangzhou of India, because of the fact that I feel that everything is in place now. We have the
सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स रेडी हैं,
सब रेडी है, everything is there now, the human capital, the workforce, the infrastructure, the government policies, the investor appetite, everything is there. And if we are able to bring everything together in the right way, obviously the government has to play a huge role in this. I feel that it could be the next in 20 years from now, which is 2050, approximately 23 years. I feel that we could reach there, where it could be one of the mega centers of global capital, global city. And but it'll take time. It'll take a lot of effort. हो सकता है, पॉसिबल है, बट मेहनत लगेगी और सब लोगों को मिल के इकट्ठे होके करना पड़ेगा, तो पॉसिबल तो है. 100%. अमेजिंग राहुल सर, अमेजिंग. बहुत मजा आया मुझे, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. I hope you also had a great time. No, I had a great time. It was wonderful having this with you and it was really nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming, sir. Thank you very much.